For homeowners in Des Allemands, keeping a home comfortable, attractive, and energy efficient often comes down to the quality of the windows. Many houses in the area still have older windows that no longer provide proper insulation or style. Replacing those outdated units with new windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. Below are the top benefits of installing new windows in Des Allemands residences. Improved energy efficiency. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose new windows is to cut down on energy costs. Modern windows are designed with advanced insulation features, such as double or triple panes, gas fills, and low-E coatings. These enhancements help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on your HVAC system during hot Louisiana summers and chilly winter nights. By keeping heat out in the summer and in during the winter, energy-efficient windows can lower utility bills and make your home more environmentally friendly. Enhanced comfort. Year-round older windows often let in drafts and allow hot spots or cold spots to form around your home. New windows provide a tighter seal and better insulation, which means you'll feel fewer drafts, less humidity intrusion, and more consistent indoor temperatures. In Des Allemands, where weather can change quickly, this added comfort makes a noticeable difference. Boosted curb appeal. Your windows aren't just functional, they're a major part of your home's overall look. Installing new windows gives your house a fresh appearance and can significantly increase curb appeal. Whether you prefer classic designs, modern frames, or custom finishes, today's windows come in a wide range of styles and materials that complement both traditional and contemporary homes in the community. Increased home value. Homebuyers notice when a property has been upgraded with modern windows. Not only do they see the visual appeal, but they also recognize the long-term savings on energy and maintenance. If you ever plan to sell your Des Allemands home, new windows can make your property more attractive and justify a higher asking price. It's an investment that pays off in both daily living and future resale value. Better noise reduction. Des Allemands is known for its quiet charm, but outside noise from traffic, construction, or neighbors can still disrupt your peace. New windows with multiple panes and insulated frames can help reduce unwanted sounds. This noise reduction creates a more serene indoor environment, especially for bedrooms, nurseries, and home offices. Lower maintenance needs. Older windows often require constant painting, scraping, and repairs. Modern windows, especially those made of vinyl or fiberglass, are designed to resist warping, cracking, and fading. Many options also feature easy-to-clean glass and tilt-in sashes, making window washing much simpler. By upgrading, you'll spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Improved safety and security. New windows are built with stronger frames, advanced locks, and shatter-resistant glass options. These features not only protect against potential break-ins but also provide peace of mind during storms, which are not uncommon in Louisiana. Knowing that your windows can withstand high winds and impacts adds an extra layer of security for your family. Final thoughts. Installing new windows in your Des Allemands home is more than just an aesthetic upgrade. It's a decision that impacts comfort, safety, energy savings, and property value. From reducing utility bills to giving your home a fresh, modern look, the benefits are clear. If your current windows are drafty, outdated, or difficult to maintain, now may be the perfect time to make the switch. With new windows, you're not just improving your home, you're investing in a better lifestyle for years to come.